Mixed signals across assets today. Let us cut through the noise and focus on what matters most. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete Forex market briefing for August 9th. Currency markets are being driven by a complex mix of central bank policy, geopolitical risk, and shifting growth expectations. Let us break it all down. Here is a snapshot of how the major currency pairs are trading today. Euro to US dollar is trading at 1.16, gaining 0.04% on the session. The world's most traded pair is driven by ECB versus Fed rate differentials. Currency markets are reacting to oil prices plunge and Europe's markets rally after Trump calls off Iran strikes, The Guardian. Pound sterling to US dollar is trading at 1.35, gaining 0.28% on the session. Sterling is highly sensitive to UK inflation data and Bank of England rate guidance. Currency markets are reacting to why trillion-dollar asset manager T. Rowe Price put memicons in its crypto ETF. US dollar to Japanese yen is trading at 157.75, gaining 0.09% on the session. Dollar-yen tracks the US-Japan rate differential and Bank of Japan intervention risk. Currency markets are reacting to Klesch becomes Germany's second-largest oil refiner after BP deal. USD SGD is trading at 0.7825, gaining 0.43% on the session. The Singapore dollar reflects Asian FX sentiment, trade flows, and MAS monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Australian dollar to US dollar is trading at 0.7071, gaining 0.53% on the session. The Aussie dollar closely tracks commodity prices, especially iron ore, and Chinese growth signals. Investor sentiment is being shaped by US inflation in focus, key economic data set to shape Fed rate path next week, Cryptorank. US dollar to Chinese yuan is trading at 0.1484, gaining 0.17% on the session. The onshore yuan reflects PBOC daily fixings, US-China trade dynamics, and capital flow controls. Currency markets are reacting to oil prices plunge and Europe's markets rally after Trump calls off Iran strikes, The Guardian. US dollar to Indian rupee is trading at 95.20, losing 0.12% on the session. The Indian rupee tracks RBI monetary policy, FII and FPI capital flows, and US-India interest rate differentials. Currency markets are reacting to why trillion-dollar asset manager T. Rowe Price put memicons in its crypto ETF. Now let us look at the macro forces behind today's currency moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. Traders are reacting to news that oil prices fall as market awaits possible US-Iran ceasefire deal. Energy now. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Equity markets are responding to reports that Dow reaches all-time high while S&P 500 and NASDAQ retreat on tech earnings concerns. ECX.org. Currency markets are reacting to oil prices plunge and Europe's markets rally after Trump calls off Iran strikes, The Guardian. Currency markets are reacting to why trillion-dollar asset manager T. Rowe Price put memicons in its crypto ETF. Our near-term view on Australian dollar to US dollar. With Australian dollar to US dollar moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $0.7248 level above and $0.6894 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Currency markets can move fast and unexpectedly. Central bank surprises, geopolitical shocks, and data prints are the key risks to monitor. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Every morning, before markets open, we break down exactly what is moving and why. If you want that edge every day, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If today's analysis was useful, a like is the best way to support the channel. We genuinely appreciate every single one. We read every comment. Drop your view below. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your Forex briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily currency coverage.